Hi, I'm Kevin with H3K Home+Design, and welcome to another H3K Design Minute. Last episode, Howard was talking to Amy, our project manager and designer who transformed a casita into an amazing space. Not only did we do the renovation, but we also did the furniture. I'm here today with Kathy, who did the amazing furnishings in this space. I'm loving the cool vibe, Kathy.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This was such a pleasure to work on. We had a great client, and it's also fun to be able to work with the whole team.
That's great. Of course, one of the biggest challenges in terms of this job was the fact that you're dealing with a smaller space, a space that had a lot going on, a lot of amazing pieces, but they all had to work together and a lot of things had to function, and you only had 300 square feet. Tell us about how that process worked.
That's right. In a project like this, you really don't have a lot of room for error. So I would say the thing that was most critical was to take measurements over and over again. You have to, what's the saying?
Measure twice, cut once.
Cut once, yes. In this case, measure twice, order once. So it really started out with kind of getting a handle on the bedroom furniture and figuring out what's that critical dimension, which allows Amy to build this wall in the exact perfect place. And then following that, kind of measuring the space that's left over, essentially, to create a living space.
Of course, I think one of the things that strikes me when you walk in here is just the use of color and how you actually intertwined all the different colors and how everything played together. What was the thought process on that?
Well, typically in Palm Springs, we do these bright, bold vacation colors, but in this case, the client specifically asked us for a little bit more of a subdued space. And that sort of led us down the blue-gray world. And it's really nice because you get a lot of natural light in this space, right, and the blue is subdued and also kind of cooling as well. And as we get over in the 3-digit temperatures, something
never happens in Palm Springs.
Yeah, it happens a lot. This kind of gives an overall kind of cool, restful, serene feel.
Obviously the furniture in here is amazing. I love the sofa, I love the bed, I love the dresser, but the piece that just jumps out to me is this coffee table. Tell me about this, is fun.
Thank you, yeah, this was a good little find. In a space that is small, you definitely don't want a coffee table that you're gonna trip over. So we found this sort of smaller scale piece, but what's also nice about it is within one piece you get 4 different finishes. And if you like this table, it's actually for sale at H3K Home.
What? Oh my
I'm just
God,
saying.
That is a shocker. Well, thank you, Kathy. Thank you for joining us on the H3K Design Minute, and please join us again for our next episode. And I'm hoping you're learning as we go through this process, but thank you. Bye.